Hey everyone, welcome to our new video. If you are facing with Diablo error code 3008, don't worry. In this video, we are going to fix this error, so don't skip. Reason: Diablo error code occurs due to connectivity or usually appear when a login request expires. How to fix this? First, you have to check server status of Blizzard. To check status, go to your Chrome, go to your browser, search Blizzard Diablo for server status and click on first link. If no issue on server, then follow second step. For this, go to your search icon and search your command. Click on command run as administrator. Click on this. Click OK and type here some code I will provide in description box. First, ipconfigure plus again ipconfigure slash register DNS, press enter. Again, ipconfigure release and run. Press enter for run. Taking some time. Again, ipconfigure renew and press enter. Again, press this code here and after completing, click type exit and press enter. After doing this, click on window icon and restart your computer. After doing this, you will enjoy your game.